Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about that how to embed any sort of Instagram post inside your React.js application using a simple library called as React Instagram Embed. So this is the application. You will see this Instagram post has been successfully embedded here. You can see that if I click on this button here, view profile, in the next tab this post will open. You can see the profile of the person who has posted this post here. You can even click this like button and this will open this post inside a new window. Here you can like this post like this. So the library name is pretty simple, which is React Instagram Embed. So with the help of this you can embed any Instagram post. So all the source code of this video I have given in the video description. You can go to my blog post which is there inside video description and download all the source code. So let's get started by building this application. So first of all you need to create a brand new Instagram or React project. So go to codesandbox.io and log in with your GitHub account, and then you need to click on this new sandbox button. Click on the React template. So basically it will instantly create your React.js project. So here you need to add a dependency called as React Instagram Embed. So click on the add dependency option and then search for this dependency, which is React Instagram dash embed. So just click on this dependency, so it will install it in the background. Now it is successfully installed. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to delete all these things. And now if you go to the documentation of this plugin, you will see this is a import statement. So right here at the very top you will see import Instagram. Let me just zoom in. Instagram embed from the dependency, which is Instagram React Instagram embed. So after importing this, these are the tags here that you need to write here. Specifically the main property is the URL of your post. So simply I will paste it. So it will take this URL and it will simply embed this post here. On the right hand side you can see that. If I just zoom out, you will see it is there on the left hand side. So if I just click on this post here, view profile, so it will open this inside new tab. So simply I can just change the URL to something else. So let's suppose I want to embed this post, so I can just Control C and I can go to my code here and simply replace this URL, change this URL to whatever URL that I want, and now you will see the change here. You will see. So this is applicable if you are making a website and you just want to embed your Instagram profile. You can just embed with the help of this React.js library. So you can even play with the maximum width option. Let me just change to 500. So you will see the width will change to 500. So this will allow you to have more width. Let me now change this to 600. So you will see some more space will be there. So the nice thing about is that you can just save your work and open this inside new window inside your browser, such that you can see it inside live preview. So now you will see this is your post here. Simply if you want to like this, you can click on this button and it will open this inside this window. So this was a short little tutorial on how to embed any sort of Instagram post inside your React.js application using this React Instagram embed library. All the source code will be there inside video description. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you next tutorial.